In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to save a Gmail email in a Google Drive folder. This process is straightforward and can be completed in just a few minutes. Let's get started by opening a web browser. Type Gmail into the search bar, or if you prefer, you can type mail.google.com directly into the address bar. This will take you directly to the Gmail website. Once you're on the Gmail page, you'll need to log in if you haven't already. After logging in, navigate to your inbox and find the email you wish to save. Click on the email to open it. You'll notice a variety of icons at the top of the email. The one we're interested in looks like a small printer. Click this print icon, which will open the print dialog box for your email. Now, in the print dialog, take a closer look at the destination setting. It's usually set to a default printer, but you'll want to change this to Save as PDF. This changes the print job from sending it to your physical printer to creating a digital PDF file instead. Once you've selected Save as PDF, click on the Save button. This will prompt you to choose a location on your computer where you'd like to save this new PDF file. Choose a location that you can easily access later, such as your desktop or a specific documents folder. With the email now saved on your computer, the next step is to upload it to Google Drive. Open a new tab in your web browser and head over to Google Drive. If you're not already signed in, you'll need to log in with your Google account credentials. After logging into Google Drive, navigate to the folder where you want to store the PDF file. If you don't have a specific folder in mind, you can always create a new one by clicking New at the top left and choosing Folder. Once you're in the right folder, you'll need to upload the PDF. You have two options here. You can click on New, then select File Upload, which will open your computer's file browser, allowing you to select and open the PDF file you saved earlier. Alternatively, if you have the folder window open where you saved the PDF, you can simply drag and drop the file into the Google Drive window. And that's it. You've successfully saved a Gmail email as a PDF on your computer and uploaded it to a Google Drive folder. This method can be a useful way to organize important emails or to create backups. Remember to regularly check your Google Drive storage space, especially if you're saving many emails, to ensure you have ample storage left. Thank you for watching, and I hope you found this guide easy to follow. Feel free to like and subscribe for more helpful tutorials like this one.